Tyrone Codner, coach Brownstown High School.
Our coach went up early. Thought he had the game from there.
Not really, I was hoping we would have capitalized on one more early chances to go 2 goals up, but the team sat back a bit too much and allowed Ocho back into the game. They allowed them to start really putting on the ball and play. I think they played better, and I'm talking Ocho Rios in terms of putting the ball down and passing it around. But it's a game that could have gone either way. Both teams got late chances. Could have gone either way. And the balance of play disappointed somewhat because we wanted all 3 points. But we all know that this is just to firstly get in the top 4 and then try to deal with the 3 games from there.
You guys created quite a few chances. Disappointed they didn't take some of those chances?
Most definitely, especially in the last 2 minutes. Yeah, we got 2 chances that we should have taken at least 1.
So you see that there's extra work need to be done at that level?
Just have some players who probably still nervous, haven't played enough minutes, so going on out there probably thinking too much about not wanting to make a mistake and in the end getting caught not making the right decision.
The last 10 minutes of the game, the players look a bit winded. Fitness issue?
Well, yeah. The games have been quick and fast because we would have played Saturday and then today again, so yeah. It was, yeah.
All right, coach, good game and hope to see you guys in the next round.
Well, yeah, we're still on par to meet our objective now, which is to go unbeaten, and we're still unbeaten in the group, so that's the plan. Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah, good. Let's up.